I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports Edge Panel and that software is updated. This avoids incompatible options later. Once done, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and back up any existing Edge settings so you can restore if needed. Then open Settings, go to Display, and tap Edge Panels. You'll see the toggle and the panel store. Enable the toggle and prepare to select or download panels that fit your workflow before moving to detailed setup. You now browse the Edge Panel store and pick the panels you need, apps, tasks, tools, or custom shortcuts, because choosing focused panels reduces clutter. Once you download a panel, grant only the permissions it requires. This ensures functionality without oversharing data. Then return to Edge Panel settings to reorder panels, adjust the handle position and size, and tweak swipe sensitivity so activation is reliable. If you create custom panels, map shortcuts precisely to avoid duplicate or missing actions. You finish by testing the swipe gesture and every panel action to confirm responsiveness. Open and use each shortcut to be certain they launch correctly. If a panel is unresponsive, clear its app cache or force stop the companion app, then reboot. This fixes most transient problems. If issues persist, reset Edge Panel settings or update firmware and the panel app, since out-of-date software commonly causes conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.